This is an absolute must no matter what age your kid is. It's also good if you don't have kids. I take this to anytime we're at the beach or the lagoon, anywhere you get sandy. This is what it looks like. I've used it so much. It's gonna get powder on me if I kind of give you a live demo. But what it does is it gets sand off of your kids instantly, painlessly. It's amazing. Keeps the sand out of your car as well. So this is the powder patch. Once they have sand on them, you just rub this on it. It gives you, I believe it's just all natural cornstarch in it, and it is refillable. So you can refill this once it's empty with your own baby powder or cornstarch. It is the best thing to have in the summer, and it comes in its own little pouch. I keep one in our beach bag, and I keep one in my car as well. And I'm telling you, to get the sand off your kids before they get in the car, it is gold. And again, even if it's wet sand, you can get it off of them, which is so hard to do with a towel.